This is a letter to my son by Oluwashina Oluwaseun Olagbende. Discover your purpose in life and strive to fulfill destiny. When you know your purpose, your destiny is shaped and defined. Don't just live to survive. Have an impactful existence to your world. Don't work harder, work smarter. Go beyond the classroom education. Be street intelligent. Develop your self-made strength. Empower yourself academically, emotionally, and financially. Don't expect favor from friend, but a fight from your enemy. Don't stop working hard until you don't need to introduce yourself to anyone. There is only one God Father, and that is your Maker. Always put your trust in Him. Always ask God what to do next whenever you find yourself in a difficult situation, and don't take any step until you hear from Him. Be guided by laws and don't break the laws of God and the law of the land. If you must partner in a business, let partnership agreement first be in place. Life is full of deception and lies. Do not trust completely. Just be diplomatic and always get prepared for betrayals. Don't be stupid enough to fail in asking God to tell you His mind concerning your decisions or choices. My son, you are not a successful man until you can double all that your father had achieved. Love your wife and never cheat on her. It is easier to maintain failure than to maintain success. Always be careful when you are succeeding. Don't allow success get into your head, because success kills faster than failure. Always help those you have capacity to help. Because of them, God has blessed you. Don't be drunk with love to the extent that you place a woman more than God. Always carry your wife along in any vital project you are to embark on. As a man, never let out your secrets to a woman because of their flexible nature. Always promise little to deliver much. Do not promise much and deliver little. Discover your gift as fast as possible, for nothing makes room for a man more than his gift. Note that the best treasure for your children is education and moral teachings. Don't ever raise your hand to beat a woman. Though the vision you run with only your money is nothing but a small vision, you need people's money, ideas, support and contribution. But don't borrow money to settle debts, but you can borrow to invest. Always invest and reinvest to have chains of income. Don't sleep or have sex with a woman you cannot get married to. Don't date more than a woman at a time. Be romantic. Never underestimate anyone. Be a solution to a problem. Serve God with all your heart. You will never regret it. Don't just be a religious boy, Develop a personal relationship with God. Know God beyond what the preachers preach. Love and take care of your children. Discipline them when necessary. Don't do behind your children what you cannot do in their presence. Love, cherish, respect, and provide for your wife. Don't hurt her in any way. Don't commit abortion. Learn to save, then invest. Provide for your family and let them lack nothing. Give time to your family. Know each one thoroughly. Discover your wife's passion and give her a push to succeed. Be in charge of your home. Make sure you add values to your wife. Never insult your wife. Don't fix the blame. Provide a solution. Give your wife attention. Be a good communicator and learn to listen to your wife. Be a fair fighter. Know how to handle conflicts without third-party interference. Don't repeat the past you have forgiven. Respect her feelings and don't deny her sex. Your wife is not a slave. Your marriage is a partnership, and a good husband will recognize and appreciate its importance. Appreciate your wife's offer and get her surprise gifts once in a while. Love her family members and respect them. Love her family members and respect them. Learn how to apologize when you are wrong. Protect your wife. Be a father and a friend to her. Be patient with women when she's roaring. Just keep quiet. She will come back and apologize to you. Don't force a woman to marry you. You can only persuade. Marry someone that loves you and believes in your vision. Be clean and decent. Be ambitious, but don't be over ambitious. Don't waste money or resources. Be a good leader. Show your family that you care. Don't do verbal abuse. Make your home lovely. Be careful and don't be careless in words and action. Be a friend to your wife. Let your presence be meaningful at home. Don't be heavenly conscious and be homely useless. Have a family altar. Be a motivator to your family. Study to better your life and strive to fulfill destiny. Don't impose or force your own vision on your wife and your children. Just guide them and let them have their ways. Groom your children for success. Check the health and medical issues in the family. Don't abuse your wife's love for you. Build a strong structure for your home. Never lose your drive for success. Don't transfer aggression from outside to your family. Don't move with friends who share not vision of success and progress with you. Develop your life to become an institution. Learn to see with your mind and not just with your physical eyes. Make God your all. Respect elders. Don't put money first, my son. Do what you're passionate of. Money will definitely come. Don't pursue money. Great men with riches and honor never pursued money. Rather, they went after their passion and impactful services to the society. In the course of that, many started pursuing them. Develop a life after death. Get what it takes to be a functional man. Number 1, you must provide for your family. A man who lacks the capacity to provide for his family will earn no respect. Number 2, you must be a leader who steers the ship in the marriage and in the family. Number 3, you must be a preacher through a good character. You must not allow outside pressure to make you to lose control of your family. You must learn to forgive. Don't marry out of pity. Discover the secret that will drive your career with speed. Learn to respond to changes. Always follow the trend without losing your integrity. Be a man of integrity. Don't be scared to say no when it's required and to say yes when it's needed. Learn to use information effectively. Life flies on the wings of information. Note these 7 things that make a man powerful. Number 1, wisdom. Number 2, structure. Number 3, networking. Number 4, character. Number 5, ideology. Number 6, finance. Number 7, vision. Don't be an enemy of progress.